Oh, hey, how you doing? It's me, it's Drake, and today on Khmer Cooking with Sophea, who's right behind me, we are going to be doing a very interesting dish. This banana leaf is part of it. Actually, as a matter of fact, we need to get another one. What is it? Well, we are going to be doing amok, which is a traditional Cambodian curry dish that is steamed in banana leaves. And it is, while it's not officially the national dish of Cambodia, it is definitely the most popular one. So we're going to be joined by Christine and Tim from Khmer Cooking at Micro Farm. Tim has gone back to the farm to get another banana leaf, and we'll be back in just a minute. So see you very soon. So we are back. Tim and Christine are here from a Cooking at Micro Farm, and Tim was successful in getting more banana leaves, which are over there. And we are going to turn this over to Sophea, who is going to start making, preparing the amok, which is going to take a little while. So, all right, Sophea.
I will take lemon grass
So that's lemongrass that she's putting in there.
and garlic.
Garlic.
And we put turmeric.
Turmeric. Okay.
So that's for color and flavor.
We put chili, but we don't have chili.
So here's a little progress shot. Now this is going to, when it's all said and done, I believe it's supposed to be like a curry.
Yep. Lemongrass, garlic.
Mm.
Smelling
All right, she made chili paste. Awesome.
chili paste.
So she prepared that ahead of time, so she's adding that to the mix.
Lovely.
Yeah, groovy, groovy. She said that the stinky fish stuff is what they're going to add to it, but I haven't seen it so far.
Ah.
Maybe we get lucky.
I want to put a stinky
The fish.
paste, but we can use
Oh,
this
no.
one instead.
Yay.
Because
Shrimp paste is just off.
Shrimp
it's
paste.
a little bit stinky. It's not.
No, it's very
hard
stinky,
than that
yeah.
one.
Yeah.
This stuff is horrible, stinky-wise. On the stinky scale, it's really bad. It'll stink up the joint. She made some papaya salad, and that was one of the key ingredients, and it was pretty bad. Yeah. Okay, so this is the concoction so far, and we have decided, yes, this smells amazing. It's a lovely combination of citrus and spices and stuff. So she's preparing the fish.
I feel bone in here.
Okay, there might be. This is bought at the market, and it was fillet, so it's pre-boned. However, sometimes you might get a small one. So in Cambodia, they'd be using something like the mudfish or the snakehead fish. We went to the market and got tilapia, so we are substituting tilapia. However, the taste should be pretty much the same.
Okay. So now we gonna do mix ingredient. Wait.
Mình mới xin một tí đã.
Okay.
Trong cái này rồi.
And we put sugar.
Okay, so that's palm sugar. Yeah, palm sugar.
You can put sugar, but we put this one is better smell. Oh.
Okay, yeah, she's saying you could put more, but she thinks it tastes better with not as much in there. And then coconut milk.
Coconut.
Yeah.
Ooh.
It's solidified. And chicken salt. Chicken powder.
Chicken salt.
Mm-hmm.
We use this one. Soy fish.
Fish sauce.
Fish sauce.
Not squid sauce. I always keep thinking of squid sauce because it has the word squid on it.
It'd be funny if they're like a farm somewhere where they're inking.
2.
They have squids like lined up and they're inking them out.
We use salt a little bit because this one is not salty.
Okay.
This
So a little bit of
is
salt.
Find something. Why are you looking for your wallet? Yeah, you're using the data.
All right. So now we're adding some coconut milk, which is
Delicious in coffee.
1, 2, 3, 4.
okay. And she's gonna mix that right up. I've never seen handmade curry before.
Oh, the shallots.
Yeah.
Pretty eggs.
And the eggs, of course, come from Cook Again's Micro Farm. Fresh
Fresh out of the chicken.
fresh out of the chicken.
That one looks really good. These are the ones we didn't use for the fair.
Oh my god.
It's okay. Yeah, the shells are thin on them because they're homemade.
The yolks look good.
Yes, they do.
This one. Oh, this one is good
Yeah.
for Mitch.
Mm.
This one.
Okay, so this is
Tapioca.
tapioca powder, tapioca flour.
Okay. And we put this one. What we
Uh-oh. Shrimp paste. Here we go.
call shrimp paste.
This is a level 5 biohazard. Oh, Jesus.
It smells alright.
Oh my god.
What?
Yeah.
You like?
Yeah.
Tim, can you smell it?
I can smell it.
I think I'm too far.
Oh, Jesus. It'll find you.
I can smell it. It doesn't seem that strong.
Oof.
When we put the shrimp, what we call this one?
Shrimp paste.
Shrimp paste, it smells different.
It makes it, yeah.
It smells different. So now we put what we call this
Shallots. They're called shallots.
one? Cream.
And the fish. Okay.
We should have brought some shallots. Or do we not have any right now?
I don't really have much.
I should just text you guys before we go to the market and be like, what do you got?
Oh, I actually meant to check see what we had for beans before coming, but they were kind of a little too small still yesterday.
Market Basket has, again, a surprisingly decent supply of, I don't want to say exotic vegetables, but definitely on the
Yeah.
Asian side of vegetables.
They have a great selection.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So Sophea is heating up the banana leaves a little bit.
You're just sweating it.
Is that what you're doing? You're getting rid of all the water? You making the water go?
What I go?
You want no tok.
I think it removes the water to make it tender.
Why do you do this? Do you know?
Because it will broke if you don't do.
Oh, okay. The leaves will break if you don't. Maybe you're right. Yeah, steam it.
Okay, that's good enough.
All right. All right. So she's going to make a little box out of it for the, or a little soup cup for the stew.
Cool.
You know, it's really cool when they when you see stuff like this. It really makes you feel like, you know, the tradition being passed down for, you know, however many years, generation after generation, of them preparing with, you know, what they have in nature. Since they didn't have like bowls, they were using banana leaves for bowls, and it's pretty cool.
There you go. Oh, that's super cool. Little boat.
I was about to say the same thing.
A boat, but it's a ball.
You know, Sophia, is this your first time making a muk? Have you made it before?
No.
No, first time. Oh, cool.
You know, when I come in America, I do everything myself. So when I live in Cambodia, everything I bought.
Oh, you bought everything? Now you got to make it yourself? Yeah.
Because I'm at work.
I was saying this before, but if it wasn't such a horrible pain
Even-
to run a restaurant, I think it'd be awesome to open up a Cambodian restaurant, because there's like none around, and the food is so like unique and different. It's people that are sick of like Thai or Chinese or whatever, there's another option.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've definitely never had Cambodian meals.
No.
until now.
All right, so we're back and we're putting the amok into the banana leaf boat.
In Cambodia, they put nho leaf first. So now we
Okay.
don't have that's why it's like this.
This looks amazing.
Orange leaf on top.
Yeah. And chili.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that's all.
So like I was saying, this is steamed, so we had to improvise here. Since we didn't have the proper steam set up. The water's on the bottom, then there's a shelf on top, and then a plate, and it's all covered up. And then we will check back in as it cooks up. Checking in on the amok. And if in case you're curious, yes, it is exactly like running amok. It's spelled the same. Looking good. All right, this is almost done cooking. Now Sophia's taken some coconut milk and powder.
Yeah.
What kind of powder?
Powder that I saw you that you bought for me.
Okay. And it put it, made a little sauce out of it and put it on top. So that's what you're seeing here. This is gonna be really good.
Okay, done.
Okie doke. Coming off the stove. Gotta get my Scooby-Doo mug out of the way. Yeah, this is gonna be good, guys. This is close to,
This one is broken.
okay.
It's okay. I'll take the broken one.
It's hot, huh?
It's not hot, but it's
Oh, it falls apart easy, yeah.
Do you have a spatula?
Yeah, right over there. You can use one of those to lift it off here.
Yeah.
There you go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Christine's idea.
I didn't even see them right there.
This one is broken.
Oh, that's okay. Looks like it's still formed. That's cool. Oh, you're right. Like quiche thing. Yeah, yeah.
Yeah, it's,
You can see that. You guys getting a...
Oh yeah, that's
comparing
cool.
it to, yeah, it makes sense.
Look at that. Forms up right in there and cooks. That's cool.
Yeah.
That's amazing. Ooh.
All right. And as usual, rice is served as well. Okay. I guess it's time. We have some garden cucumbers here. And then the amok is here. Everyone's got their rice. So, all right, Tim, you want to go get going?
I guess I will take the one closest.
Christine.
Thank you.
I'll take the broken one.
And you mix it up. Yeah.
All right. What do you think? Good. Give us some flavor notes or
Very, very good.
yeah.
Yeah, you can taste the fish. You can taste all of the spices.
Is it kind of like a classic curry taste, you know, or different? No.
Very different.
Yeah.
Lemongrass is fantastic.
Yeah.
All right. I'll flip this around.
That's wonderful.
Got a whole camera for you.
That's okay, baby. Here we go. A nice big piece of fish in there. Mmm. Oh yeah. It's sweet, savory.
I see a little, lots of lemongrass flavor.
Yeah, citrusy with the lemongrass. There's that coconut milk flavor in there. She topped it off with some coconut milk as well. I'm gonna get a piece with some pepper in there as too right now.
It's condensed condensed coconut milk too
Condensed, yeah.
on the stovetop.
You can easily see why this is like a favorite in Cambodia, no doubt. All right, have you tried yours yet, babe? Have you tried it yet?
It's right already.
What do you think? Do you like? Did you do a good job?
I really like.
Yeah. So in Cambodia, this is everyone loves amok, right? Amok is one of the favorites.
Amok is favorite and traditional Khmer food.
Nice. All right, that's it for now. We're going to sit here and enjoy the rest of our meal. Again, this is fish amok from, would it be trai amok? Amok trai?
Amok try amok.
Amok trai. Trai amok, which means fish amok. So we're going to finish this off here. Thanks again for Tim and Christine joining us and the stuff they helped provide us with. And Sophea, once again, for the awesome meal. This is probably one of the most classical, traditional Cambodian meals, and it was amazing. So we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.